Can you see how nice these little trees look? This is amazing. So I got Thomas just for as a background. Anyways, so today I want to talk about these little trees. These are model trees for horse scale. Now let's take a look. We're gonna measure right here so you can have an idea how tall these little trees are. Pretty close to 3 inches tall, and they come in 3 different colors. Now this you can use it on your scenery or your layout, and they will look really nice. Let's see the other one. All 3 have the same height. See right there? Yeah, almost 3 inches. Or let's go to centimeters. It's about 7 centimeters. So I'm gonna turn it like this so you can see how nice these little trees look. That's the other one. And now these are very cheap, and they are not expensive at all. So I got a bag of 60 little trees. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I got 60. They come in 20 pieces of each color. Right here, it's one color. Now, when you remove from the bag, there will be a lot of pieces falling off. So you can use this as a grass decoration maybe, but it's not coming a lot. So you may make your own forest or use it for your station. Let's say you have your station like that, you're building, and put some trees on the side. That looks really awesome. See that? That's a big difference. Now if you want to make your scenery or layout, you can buy a foam board. It's about $1 from a dollar store or $2 and some cents at Walmart. I will make a little forest, but before that I will show you. Use a screwdriver, make a hole, and then you put your tree right there. Very easy with a foam board. Another one, and another one right here. Excellent. Now we have a very nice little forest right here. See how nice they look? Now it's a little messy, but you can just take it. It can come out really easily. Imagine your model train running between the trees. I want to do that right now. Now look at your engine like this. Imagine your engine like this between a little forest. That looks really nice. So I remove the trees in the middle, and I have more right now. See, that looks really nice. Now this looks really cool with my Farquhar station right there. See the trees? This makes it look really cool, and it's not expensive, like I said. So you can remove the trees if you're using a foam board, and the things are not coming off. I mean the green parts are easy to handle. See, once you remove from the bag, there will be not a lot coming off the little trees. So like I say, use a screwdriver, make a hole like that, puncture, and you're ready to go. Now you can have a lot of fun. Wow, look at the engine sheds. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. And you can keep changing your scenery with the foam board and the trees very easily. Let's make another one. Well, look at that, a house in the forest. How nice. Now these little trees make a big difference. See how nice this little setup looks. It looks really cool. And I still have a lot of trees that I just removed from the set, from this layout, and looks really cool. Yeah, you can have a lot of fun with these little trees and just a piece of foam board. And for those little kids, they will have endless playtime. Yeah, this makes a big difference. I definitely recommend it. See how nice look? Yeah, it looks really nice. Okay, more trees over there. That's too much. Anyways, look, nice. I do have my grass mat right here. I will use it for later, to make my layout look little bit more realistic. So yeah, they will look really nice on this grass mat. So another station right there, looking good with this little forest, really nice. See what a big difference these little trees make with just setting on the foam board right here. They make everything stand up a lot, and it's really nice. See, we have here a station that we just take off the bottom part and convert it as a house, regular standard house like this one. Just remove the walkway, so that looks really nice. I can put more trees, but I will show you on my layout later on the next videos how these trees look. Pretty sure they make a big difference. Well, I hope you like this video. So anyways, thanks for watching. Over and out.